5 proven techniques to minimize payment delays and get paid on time. 17 years credit control expert. Are you tired of waiting weeks or even months for customers to pay? Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business, and delayed payments can seriously hurt your bottom line, but don't worry. With over 17 years of experience in credit control, I've helped businesses recover millions in overdue invoices. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you 5 proven techniques to minimize payment delays and ensure you get paid on time. Let's dive in. 1. Set clear payment terms upfront, the first step to getting paid on time. Crystal clear payment terms. If your invoices are confusing, customers will delay payments sometimes on purpose. Set specific due dates, for example, payment due in 14 days instead of pay ASAP. Clearly state late fees to discourage delays. Outline accepted payment methods to avoid excuses. Pro tip: send a written contract before starting work so expectations are clear from day one. 2. Automate your invoicing process. Waiting too long to send invoices. That's a mistake. The faster you invoice, the sooner you get paid. Use accounting software like QuickBooks, SAP ERP, Overdue, or Xero to auto-send invoices. Set up automatic reminders so clients don't forget to pay. Include a Pay Now button for instant online payments. Fact: businesses that use automated invoicing get paid 3 times faster than those who don't. 3. Offer early payment incentives and late payment penalties. People love discounts. Use that to your advantage. Offer a 2 to 5% discount for early payments. Charge a late fee, for example, 1.5% per month on overdue invoices. Create tiered pricing, for example, standard price versus early pay price. When customers know they can save money by paying early, they'll prioritize your invoice. 4. Follow up effectively. Be firm, not aggressive. Sometimes, a simple reminder is all it takes. Here's how to follow up effectively. Send a friendly reminder a few days before the due date. Follow up immediately when a payment is overdue. Call if necessary, but stay professional and polite. 5. Know when to escalate. Debt collection and legal action. Sometimes, customers still won't pay. When that happens, it's time to take action. Send a final demand letter with a payment deadline. Hire a debt collection agency for serious cases. Consider legal action if the debt is large. Remember, don't be afraid to escalate when necessary. Your business deserves to be paid. Want customers to pay faster? Remove barriers. Accept multiple payment methods: credit cards, PayPal, direct debits, bank transfers. Set up automatic payment plans for recurring clients. Offer mobile payments. Customers love convenience. The easier it is to pay, the faster you'll get your money. Tired of chasing payments? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for expert credit control strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.